Major comment, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Today I want to show you how to install Dynamic Island on any smartphone, bro. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, as you can see, and I want to show you how to install this on any Android phone. For example, I have this. What is this? This is iPhone Dynamic Island. This is how it look like, bro. You can see your music, your calls, everything directly on this screen, and it's cool, very cool. Now, how to install this? Go under this video in the description via a link. Download the file that you need. This is the APK file. Okay, now copy this APK file in your phone, and now you can access to this APK and install, or you can go on your Play Store to looking for Dynamic Spot. This is the application you need to enable Dynamic Island in your phone. Now let's install right now. Are you ready? Okay, close everything. As you can see, it's installing now. Okay, now what can you do? Click on this and open. This is how it look like. Can you see this? Now click on next. And you need now to enable everything here. Can you see this? Let's start by the first. Okay, they're looking for Dynamic Spot. Enable. Go back. Validate. Great. Now let's go for the next. Notification access. They're looking for this beautiful is here. Hello. Now it's good. Draw on screen. Next. Okay, is here. Let's enable. And get ready. Click on hello. And it's done. Now you are ready to click on done and finish this job. Welcome. Now is enabled. When you click on this, this is what we call Dynamic Island. Yeah, is here now in front of you. And when you hold, you have this message. This is not a joke. Can you see how it works? This is how it's working, my friend. It works like that. Cool. You can read, you can hold and see all your messages here, and this is so cool. You can tap to remove. Now you have notifications. Okay, open again. Notifications. What application key? Stop it. Okay, I don't know, but let's open again. Okay, can you see this? Make this on. Okay, this is cool. What? Dynamic off, turn off, and hello. Okay, now it's good, stable. You have pop setting. Oh, what is the problem with this? Let's restart this phone right now to see what is the problem. Let's try to fix the problem here for my device, Note 8. Say to me what you think. If you meet the same problem for the first time, I want to know. Note 8 is back. Okay, welcome back. Let me put my my passcode. Welcome. Nothing here. Not open. Okay. Click here. Good. Click here. I don't know why it stopped it, but you can see this dynamic spot will display a small pop. Okay, cool. Open. I want to go on setting, but I don't know why this problem is here. Don't know. The same problem. Pro. I don't know why it's not working. Application. Memory. Go. I want to just try to fix this problem right now. I don't know how to clean. Open first to stop. Okay, storage. Okay, clean data. Now open again. Let's try to configure it again this thing. Okay, cool. Next. Okay, enable again. Let go. Okay, everything good. Yeah. What? I don't know why it's not working, because I make a test the first time, everything was work perfectly. I don't know why it's not working right now. But you can test this by yourself and see what you think about this. Dynamic spot. Let's go on Play Store if I can find this application. Dynamic spot. Okay, let me install this and install again dynamic spot. You can see dynamic Island for Android. Can you see this? Your notification. You can even see music. Everything. And cool. Let's open again. Maybe the better version for my phone. Let's go. Do the same thing. Where are you? Okay, cool. Hello. Another one. Dynamic, beautiful. Hello again. Click on done. Let's see. Okay, now it's working. This is a better version for my phone. This is what I think. Okay. Select which application can activate the pop. I want to select what I want. Plug. Messages. Samsung Music. And YouTube. This is cool. Go back. Battery. You can see phone is charging. I can enable only this because if you want to enable this, you need premium version. You can buy for this this. Screen off. Everything. Go back. Look at how it looks like now. Can you see this, my friend? This is what I'm talking about. Dynamic island. Can you see this? Now it's working. Can you see this? Open. Pop settings. You can see the size. You can change. You can move, change each position or better position. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Nice. This is not a joke. It's working. Change his position. Better position. Everything, something just like that. You can even configure his position. Okay. Nice. Okay, great. Okay, do you like it? Dynamic island is here in front of you. Okay, as you can see, it's not bad, it's working. Appearance, use contact or cover images. You can enable this and notification. Okay, this is cool. Sweet to clear. You can enable this if you want, everything. And beautiful, it's done. This will be pro version. Cool. And well done. As you can see, it's good. Now, let's test this with the charger. Okay, this is the USB-C charger. Let's connect and test to see if it's working. Beautiful, and it's working. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Nice. This is not a joke, bro. Now you can install this on any smartphone, any Android phone, and this is cool. Thank you for watching. I also want to enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos. Okay? I want to install this now on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus just to see how it's working. Also, get ready. Stay ready.